Jamaica yard life, up and about another day. Dada. Giving thanks to life as usual. Yeah, man, it's a blessed morning. It is natural for I man to get up in the morning and eat the river. Up and about another day with a lot to do. Yes, man. I have exam today. Yeah, it's a blessing. And I have a day to attend to. So just come my yard with me, man. Yeah, man, I'll show you around. Yeah, man, welcome back to Jamaica Yard Life. There river, you know the something go. Yeah, man, I will have positive vibes as usual. Yeah, man. You know, there's a lot of things going on here and there, and on the island and off of the island, I'd say. But trust me, sad, but we can't dwell upon the sad things. Yeah, man, we have to get up, get about, and do the right thing. Yes, man, most naturally. Yeah, man, Jamaica yard life, up and about another day. I have to mass up because you know the energy room. Yeah, school. I do my exam, but so you come with me, take a walk, show you what going. It's a blessed day. Up and about another day, giving thanks to life as usual. You know my energy already. This is yard, really hard life. Yeah, man. It's a blessing for see Russian up and about with them beast them. As I say from day one, you know the energy. If you not have one of them young in your country, you not send nothing. Yeah, man, but just stick around. I have a lot more coming. Yard life. One of the greatest thing, one of the sweetest, one of the nicest time of being in the countryside, trust me, is when you get the opportunity to go river and show line. Yes, man, I'm here talk about them bamboo line where you buy your reel and your hook and you makeshift your thing and go try catch two fish. And trust me, it's not like when you go and bingo, look under the bag, man. It's a blessing. Jack too much, be a jack that not the bag. Country style, yard life.
On the work, I just straight from with you know. Is it? And I plant out a portion already, I plant all planting and banana sucker. All yesterday? You know so it go? And the day before that from Sunday I start planting. From Sunday I plant, you know. I mean if you plant, you know plant how you eat. You have to do something. I show them Raja pig. Pick up yourself. Say morning. Alright. You know, up and about, you know? The pigeon? Yeah. Another day, I show them the pigeon, you know? Today we are going to hear that grave digging. Oh? Yeah, man, it's a blessed day. Up and about again, you know? Jamaica yard life. Yeah, man, stick around. A lot more coming. This is yard. Real yard life. I want a couple shovel well, man. 1 and 2 shovel and I'm going to make it. Young rooster them? Them bad. They never fighting. That's why I name them more while. I hold it to them, man. They know. Go. You know me, I never take care of animals. So all the other day, somebody lick my puss, man. Mash him up. Rough Gary, but that's it. Dead, of course. In going, I cook? So I'm going? Let's see. That's the mangoes, then you have more chicken. This is yard, real yard life. Get up, get about, and do the right thing. And remember, walk with the Most High. Every time.
So we run the Ave where they have in the place, you know, the
Straight.
yeah, we put that on the good. No smoke.
Which is right. So me have to walk with my this try.
Right there, man. Because right now, this is where they must put the place all kill we, you know, the
True.
remember me tell you.
Aye, me too.
They must spray around here. We have to inhale them things. Yes,
Which is right. You know healthy.
thing and things, so what? We have our own method. You see me, Dan?
Proper.
Yeah.
All natural. Yeah, man. Real natural, you know. This is yard. Real yard life. Yeah, man.
I just want to run them out of the bush.
Mm-hmm.
Our people also more taking them because we have to run them from, you know, so I'm troubling our city, you know, man.
Problem.
What?
Mosquito like sun.
Mosquito start. Then it's a rock like, you know,
Them big.
No, I want, and then they bite people, you know. You see, look who want to stay, so.
Them kill you.
Mash me up.
Alright. I tell you, man. Family blessings now. Seed. Yeah, man. Everybody there from foundation, you know. Yeah, man. This is yard, you know. Real yard life. We up on a boat and I do the right thing. Yeah, man. We have one of the elders them up pass. As I say, you have to give condolences to the elders, you know. Yeah, man. Jamaica yard life. And Pebbles there, you know. Every morning, I always get a early morning walk because she have to stay fit. You know there's something go. It's a blessing, man. Yeah, man, but you know, and push out the road. See, yeah, man, place look proper again. Like country once more. See it. Yeah, man, the place proper. Well, proper, I go down there.
There are some things about Jamaica that I like, I love. And I'm proud to be Jamaican. Proud of being a Jamaican. Yes, man, most naturally. Yeah, man, mommy I feel mean. For some people where I wish me bad. Take a listening ears.
Oh, yeah, man, me know, man. Me know, man. When me about a different something from them, you know, man. Something. True. I say it, come on. Soon come, man.